Okay, for some reason my microphone didn't pick up any sound when I videoed this. This was the parsnip bed all cleared out, ready for next year. I'll sow them in next month, and the strawberry bed is now filled up. So I'm hoping for good things from these strawberries this year, because I never got any last year. It'd be nice to get some. The rhubarb's doing really well, it's taken off really well. I'm going to pick some of this before I go at the end of the day. There's a little ladybug there. I noticed quite a few of these at the weekend all over the allotment. So yeah, it's nice to have some of the nice insects for a change. But yeah, definitely rhubarb's looking good. And the blueberries need a bit of a tidy out. The flowers are all there. Could do with a bit of attention, this bed. So yeah, I'll plan to weed that, and I've got a bag of ericaceous compost there that I'm going to put on it as well. So that'll be a job for another day. The raspberries, they're growing well, nothing wrong there. These beds, well, this bed needs a weed. The next bed was weeded at the weekend, and the top bed should be relatively okay. That's where the beans are going to go this year, and they're going to go down in this bottom bed. Potatoes, these were the first earlies, rockets. Nothing to show yet, but yeah, fingers crossed, not so long now. And the compost bin is totally full up. Well, this one side's full up. I need to clear out the other side, but it's not fully rotted down yet, so I've got to think about that. So yeah, all this was trimmed at the top at the weekend, but I've just still got to do the bottom part. This is spent compost from last year's potatoes, and that's all going to go in this new planter I've built over here, which is going to be my carrot bed this year. I was going to bring some peas to go in this bed, but I forgot them, so that's going to have to wait. So this needs to be filled up with compost, and then I'm going to use it as my carrot bed this year. I've got some bags of compost in the greenhouse, but I was trying to save them for my potato crops in buckets this year, but we might get some more. The broad beans, they're doing okay-ish. There has been quite a lot of slug damage, as I'll try and show you here. So the leaves are all stripped back. So what I'm going to do is next month, which is only a couple of weeks time, hopefully when things warm up, I'm going to nematode the entire allotment to see if I can get some control on the snails and slugs. Onions and garlic bed, they're just doing their thing, they're just getting along okay. Everything looks okay here, nothing really to worry about. And this bed, the spinach has gone over. The rabbits will probably get that. I've got a few beetroots in. These were transplanted as little seedlings, but I did plant a row of seeds next to them, but nothing there's turned up. So I'll give them a bit more time, I think. And this last bed was some radishes that I put in. As you can see, even they've got a bit of slug damage. This bed is the purple sprouting broccoli, which is fabulous. We've been picking this and we've been having it. So yeah, it's really good, really nice stuff. If only it'd grow a bit quicker, so we didn't have to wait over a year for it to be ready for harvest. The kale that was in here went over as well, so I stripped all the leaves off I could. They were given to the rabbit, and that bed just needs a weed now. Okay, I'm back after I've just finished cutting the grass and doing a few odd jobs. Almost got it all done. Ran out of just at the end. Turn you around. So just down here at the bottom by the leaks in here, I ran out of juice. But I'm going to leave it at that. We'll probably all be back up to my knees by the time I come back from Scotland. But before I go, I'm just going to get some of this rhubarb. Now, these rhubarb leaves you can cut off and you can put in the compost bin. There's not a problem there. So, just grab some of the bigger ones. They're not massive, but this is the first picking of this year, and it is still quite early. So I'm hoping that by snail, I'm hoping by picking some, it will spur the plant into growing some more larger ones. Also, if you see any flowers, rhubarb flowers, just pull them out. They can go in the compost bin as well. There's another snail. Can go over the wall. So yeah, I'm just thin out a bit, grab the big ones. I think that'll do me for them now. So yes, there you go. Nice bunch of rhubarb. Okay, I'm finished here at the allotment for today. I'll give you a quick run through back at the potting shed later on this afternoon. But from the allotment, bye from now. Okay, so I'm back home. I thought I'd give you a quick look around of what seedlings I've got back here at the house and what else is going on. So let me just spin the camera around and crack on with the tour. Okay, these are the peppers, well, some of the peppers. They're beginning to shoot up a little bit now. These are the other ones. So let's just have a look. Yeah, these have got roots coming out the bottom now, so they could probably be potted on. So that'll be a job I do when I come back from Scotland. I've got a few more potato buckets that I've got to go back up to the plot. I brought them the other week. Just see, no rabbits. They must be in there having a sleep. They can come out the hutch and into the run via the drain pipe over there. So yeah, they must be sheltering. This lavender's really nice. Bees love it as well. This was a gift to my in-laws. Pip's mum and dad bought us last year. Looks really nice. I think, yeah, they also bought us this rosemary. Oh, it's lovely. Lovely smell. And there's a little bay leaf in there. A few of the flowers that the rabbits don't like to eat. So these are some of the lettuces. these were watered this morning, they're bone dry. So these are the black-seeded Simpson, and these are the Lolo Rossa. And if I go over here, these are the Red Dragon Mustard. These are the Autumn Beauty sunflowers. The Lemon Queen sunflowers. That one came up. So I might take the rest of the seeds for that and see if I can chip them, see if anything happens. Sweet peas are coming up. These can stay down. All these things are going to be staying out there here at the house until I come back. And these are the Romanesque cauliflowers. These are a mixture of Amsterdam cauliflowers, greyhound cabbage. So yeah, I didn't know. Oh, and there's one broccoli. I've got one Calabrese broccoli, which is quite pathetic, really. Just not trying, mate. And nasturtiums, some nasturtiums coming up. And these are my red drumhead, red cabbage. And I've got a few kohlrabi. I've got 3 kohlrabi there as well. So yeah, the cabbages are doing okay, and some of the collies are doing okay. But yeah. So I don't know whether it's the strong wind that's drying these all out. They all look as if they could do with a good drink. So I might fill up a pot and give them a good drink before I go. Before I go out tonight. You can see nothing from the potatoes so far. This was a single seed potato challenge. Nothing's came of that so far, so we'll stay in here. This was a Swede best of all, and Little Gem lettuces. Nothing, not one thing out of both of them. So what I'm doing is I'm chipping the rest of the seed packets in the conservatory. This is the Achocha. The Achocha Fat Boy, I think it is. So I've got 3 of them. I can't remember how many I potted, but yeah, 3 of these plants is going to be enough. Dolores has planted some of them as well, and hers are a lot more legged than mine, which makes them look bigger. But that's it. These are all my most of these are tomatoes. So I've got things like GD, Gardener's Delight. So I've got a few Gardener's Delight here. Some Roma. More Gardener's Delight. Some black cherry. Some Beefmaster up here in the corner. Some Ailsa Craig. More black cherry. Coy de Boer. I think that's how you can pronounce it. So I've got quite a good selection of tomatoes there. So yeah, I hope they do well. These also could do with a drink as well. These are chrysanthemums, and I've got a couple of calendula. Not many germinated from that, and I've got some chard. And this here is red vein sorrel. So it's just starting to come up. So let me turn round. Well, there's a quick roundup of what's in the back garden and what we've got the allotment. the weather should be getting warmer, so things should start be picking up. So what I'm going to do now is, before I go out, I'm going to give all these a good water before I go out for the rest of the day. And yeah, once I give them a good water, I'll see if I can get this video edited and put on the web. And I'll see you all again soon next time. So take care. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, whatever, leave a comment. I try and answer every comment, so if you want to leave a comment, please do, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.